Hey, so at $230 is the Echo Show. Should you spend $230 on this thing? I don't think so, and I'm going to show you in this video why you should never pay that much for this thing. Let's go. Listen, the Echo line has been going crazy. You've got one for every place in your house. And yes, that's the point of it. But they got great. Okay, you got the Dot, you got the Spot, you got the Echo, you've got the Show, you've got the Tap, you got the Cube. Way too many different kind of Echo devices. And yes, albeit I understand you've got a specific purpose and a place in mind for each and every one of those. And they do great in those places. But come on, why are they so expensive? If you want them to have one for every room, then make them cheaper. Just to put this in perspective for you, if you want a Spot in your bedroom, you want a Dot in the office, you want a Cube in the living room, and you want a Show in your kitchen, you're gonna spend over $500. $500? That's ridiculous! Why would you spend so much money on having one of these in every single room that's why they make them. That's why they make one different so that it fits in a specific room and that you buy them all. Now the Echo Show is great and what I believe works best in the kitchen. With its ability to watch videos, you can do drop-in calls, you can look at any recipe really on the screen, you can play your music, you can call another Alexa device and chat. You can also look at all your other smart home cameras. And with Alexa built in, you can control all those smart home devices as well. Alright, so aesthetically speaking, this thing looks amazing. It comes in the white or the black. And compared to all the other Echo devices, it literally is the top dog. Having the 7-inch display with the 2 speakers, but that's what you're paying for. See, and that price point is what kills it, and here's really why. This is the Amazon Fire Tablet HD8. Now, Josh, what does this have to do anything to do with the Echo Show? They're not the same thing, right? Wrong. Amazon actually just updated their HD8 and 10 Fire tablets to be able to have what's called Show Mode. What Show Mode is it turns this thing into an Echo Show. As long as it's got power all the time, you can plug this in and then have an Echo Show in your kitchen. And then you can also even just take this off of the dock or whatever you have and use it as a tablet. So it's even better than an Echo Show, in my opinion. Now, yes, does the camera on here stink? Yes, it's horrible. Much worse than the Show. Speaker-wise, I think this one is not bad, really. It's gonna be perfectly fine in the kitchen for what I listen to. So, is the drawbacks of having this versus a actual Show worth $150? No. In no way. This thing is under $100, and most time it's way under $100, like 50 bucks. If you want to get the Amazon version of their dock that comes with this cool little plug-in and everything like that, if you want to see a video on all this, it'll be right here. And down in the description, we went over what this all does and more involved in what the Echo Show Mode is. But this thing is amazing and works perfectly instead of spending 240 bucks. So, if the Amazon Echo Show would go on sale, I don't know, Amazon Prime Day? And let's say it would go on sale for $130, wink, wink, I'd say go ahead and buy it. But I would only buy it if it was at that price point. Really, $130, that's a great deal. But if it's not that, so make sure you keep looking at the prices. Wink, wink. $430 for the Echo Show. Go ahead, jump on it. Get that Echo Show. But if it's not $130, forget it. Buy an Amazon Fire HD 8. Buy the tablet little stand if you want it. And show mode! Hey, I'm Josh with Gross Tech. Please hit that like button, and if you didn't like the video, hit that like button anyways. I don't care. And please subscribe. I'm not gonna say consider subscribe, just do it. Subscribe to the channel because I make awesome videos about smart home tech, and that is what you will see on this channel. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.